vlogging with my sissy. She's a little camera shy. Today's the 17th. Yep. And you know, just got home from school. Made a vlog on school too. Had a good day in school. Did you have a good day? Did you have a good day? She doesn't want to talk about it. Okay, we're gonna go watch Dora. Bye!